Welcome, and for me is a VIVO T1 Pro, and today I will show you how you can put this phone into safe mode. So to get started, hold your power button, and once you see your boot options, you want to hold power off. This will then change into reboot to safe mode, which we'll confirm by tapping on OK. Obviously this will initiate a reboot, and once the device boots back up, it will then go automatically into safe mode. Now while the device is turning on, I'm going to quickly mention that safe mode is primarily used to troubleshoot your device. It's not a mode that you will be using all the time or as a default one, because in this mode only the pre-installed applications will work. Anything that you have installed yourself will be temporarily disabled, and this will also sometimes include some of the default apps as well, like widgets for instance, or some weird applications that come pre-installed with some devices sometimes. But in a second we'll see what we can actually use here or what we can't. So you can see that a bunch of applications right here will not work. They become monochrome to signify that they are unusable right now, and if you try to open them up, as you can see, it gives you this pop-up: downloaded apps disabled in safe mode. So there we go. Now once you're done with this mode and you want to go back to the normal one, all you would need to do is hold your power button and then select restart. The device will then boot back up, and once it does, it will automatically go to normal mode. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.